Beautiful Tuesday morning. It rained all morning. My hand hurts really bad from yesterday. Seeing as how Marcella's not here and my hands hurt, I don't really plan on getting a whole lot done. Really, I'm here to get concrete figured up and order it. Make sure you got batteries and everything's gonna start. All right, how many yards you got? 20 yards, buddy. I just have to make sure it isn't over 12 inches thick. Hey Kenny, this is Steve with TempStop. Hey, I was trying to get 20 yards at 10 o'clock on Thursday. Let's say 20 minutes apart at the most, something like that. 15, 20. 4,000 psi, 6% air. And that's at the same place. 1120. No fiber. All right, I appreciate it. Yeah, I was just trying to give earlier. That way, you know. Yeah, that'll work. Perfect. Thank you. All right, bye. All right, now. I don't see this shit falling no more. How old is this fucking battery? Look at this fucking thing. There's no telling because it's in a fucking concrete saw. Come up on out of this motherfucker. Jesus. 2 hours later. I love my job. So it rained all morning, so I came in late, 11 o'clock. And as I was leaving the garage, I smashed my mirror off, so real quick, no problema, a little tape, a little screws, man, everything's good, dude. What's up, how's it going?
You a new one?
Yep. Yeah.
What's up with the GoPro? Doing some videos?
Yeah, I do concrete, so I just kind of vlog it basically, you know.
Understandable.
Yep.
One that's a nice 26, but it's the terminals are flipped around. These pallets are the ones they're picking up. I can get it tomorrow for sure. All right, we're good.
But I'll see you tomorrow. All right. All right, so my day has been cut short by the rain, and I have to wait on this battery. And right now I'm buying a tip for the sprayer on Amazon. It's not going to be here in time for this next pour, but everything's cut and ready to go. Con's ready to be pulled off the stuff we just poured. Tomorrow's a big day, and the day after that maybe even bigger, right? I'm probably going to add this into tomorrow's video. We can remove all the cones today. Looks like some people already took it upon themselves. Beautiful Wednesday morning. I'm literally just tearing this out today, this square, and trying to prep it and stuff, obviously. But again, thunderstorm, rain. Here it's like almost 9 o'clock. Yeah, it really don't matter. Just kind of attack it. You can't really do wrong unless you mess an edge up. But you know, we're trying to get some couple out, whatever's the easiest ones to kind of get out, and then just kind of roll with it from there. We'll be able to get rid of the bit, and just they should all just come up with the bucket, and it should be easy. It's supposed to be easy. Split right in half. No rebar, nothing. No wire, nothing. And see, that's what happens when you don't have them linked together. They float, and you're gonna have edges and shit popping. I mean, it's not even that thick. And the concrete doesn't have any granite in it. You can do this if you just be really careful with everything. There you go, that worked. Well, I got wire in this stuff. Just lift it all up. This is the perfect time to get under it and have it up against it. There you go. There we go. Nice. All right, just do that 20 more times. It's more like getting there. It's thick, but at the most it has wire on the bottom. Let's just switch for a minute. So you'll see me like back and forth. I'm not doing that because I'm literally doing that just for the ground. And an excavator with tracks, it's even worse. And then especially if you're in the dirt and stuff like that, you have to go straight and like that, or you'll just destroy everything. I mean, really destroy everything. So that's why you always see me. It's a habit, a really good habit. Always back for, like, you know, so I'm mostly going straight. And then stick this piece right in there. Stick it right in there. No, down, curl, down. Curl down, 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 down. Yeah, now lift it all up. Hey, come and see if you can get this. Here, trade me. Oh, I just want to clean this shit up real quick before you start tearing out these pads. Well, we got it all in a nice line like this. Less than 192. You're backing the truck into concrete truck into the driveway over existing concrete. You don't want to break the edge. You're doing this where you're going up and over the edge. You can't get up. You already see where we're going with it. That's why I have you. I don't know if you saw them at my house. I have 4x4 timbers. I literally keep those so that we can get the concrete truck into a hole if he has to back in. That's why I have those at my house. But I don't have them here. I got some 2x6s. Throw those in there. It's gonna make it a lot easier to get up. Less than 87. Come over here. Can you find the biggest chunk of concrete you can grab and throw it in the middle of that underneath? Watch out. That thing could just collapse any second. Is it kind of under there? Some moves, bro. Lift up your bucket so it's out of the way of everything, and then you can like bring your tires all the way up and get that small one first. Don't even worry about the big ones. I think we're gonna have to get the bit and break them in half. You aren't gonna tip over, it'll hit the bucket first, but you gotta ease it on out of here, and you don't want it too high. You want it lower, 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 lower. No, hey, you have to give it some speed. You gotta pull forward now. Pull your bucket up a little, just enough. Go down, now go down more. No, now you're coming all the way back in. You gotta go fast, but finesse it up right now. You have to have this much room to get a started jump. You can't be right on the board. So here you go. You gotta yank it back, but not too fast. Straight. You just jiggled it out of its position again. It's gonna fall out again now, for sure. Here, let me do this one real quick. It's a tricky situation.
That's the...
Why couldn't you do that? Why couldn't you do that? I said, I don't know. Man, what the f is so weird? Some of it's 6 inches and some of it's like 13 inches. Yeah. You can crawl a little bit. That ain't gonna be good. We just ran out of gas, didn't we? I ain't looked all day. Watch out. Of the wire, and well, no, it's in there right there, but see, it just didn't Ah! You just popped the tire. Gotta be careful around these edges and stuff. It's for real. It's the real deal. All right, hurry up and get that, hurry. I don't know how you went all day not doing that, and then we have this huge hole, and that's when you're gonna need to run the tire. Hey, Rolly, it's Steve. Hey, nothing much. Bad news though, popped a Bobcat tire. That'd be cool. Yeah. All right, thank you. Bye-bye. We're playing a dance of just the dance right now. Lucky for you, he was like, well, I already ordered new ones for it, so he might come to go to the shop right now and bring us out of that Bobcat. I gotta keep things rolling, you know what I'm saying? But can't believe you did that.
No, I can't believe I did. I'm mad at
Why?
Just not getting the hang of everything, fucking swooping those up.
You're just trying to be fast?
No, I wasn't trying to be fast. I should have paid it, slowed down and paid more attention to where I was at. I thought I was farther back than I was.
Yeah.
I was gonna come and pick up the side. Boom, 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 boom.
No, everything was looking good until you were like,
I fucked up. I won't be leaving till they say, well, no more concrete to do.
nah, we can't get to like, there's battery powered heated blankets for concrete, but people be running that crap over big time around here. And I can't tell if you just popped it off the bead or punctured the sidewall. I couldn't really tell.
That's hard as shit right there. Look at you. Well, you about 6 foot?
6'1" plus.
I'll say about 5'11". What's up, Steve?
What's up? Long time no see. A few days. Yep. Appreciate it. The shop's right across the street, so I don't think he's gonna lose it just going across the street. Yeah, it's just one of those days. Oh, and I'm just gonna go pick up this battery. I think we have plenty of time to get this ready in the morning. It's gonna take a few hours to completely get it ready, but we have those few hours, especially being here by 8, a minimum of 2. All right, just picked up the new battery. It's been really a full day and whatnot. I mean, I'm happy with where we're at, so